Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be discussing one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields in technology, artificial intelligence, and share with you top 5 AI tools. You might have heard about AI before, but what exactly is it? How does it work? And what are some of the most exciting applications of AI? We'll answer all these questions and more in this video. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. AI involves the creation of algorithms and models that can analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions based on that analysis. There are different types of AI, including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. How does AI work? At the core of AI is data. AI systems are trained on large data sets, which are used to create models that can recognize patterns and make predictions. For example, an AI system could be trained on thousands of images of cats and dogs to learn how to distinguish between the two. Once the system has been trained, it can be used to classify new images as either a cat or a dog with a high degree of accuracy. Another key component of AI is algorithms. These are sets of rules that an AI system uses to process data and make decisions. There are many different types of algorithms, including decision trees, neural networks, and support vector machines. Each algorithm has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of algorithm will depend on the specific task being performed. As the hype around AI has accelerated, vendors have been scrambling to promote how their products and services use it. Often, what they refer to as AI is simply a component of the technology, such as machine learning. AI requires a foundation of specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithms. No single programming language is synonymous with AI, but Python, R, Java, C++, and Julia have features popular with AI developers. In general, AI systems work by ingesting large amounts of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future states. In this way, a chatbot that is fed examples of text can learn to generate lifelike exchanges with people, or an image recognition tool can learn to identify and describe objects in images by reviewing millions of examples. New, rapidly improving generative AI techniques can create realistic text, images, music, and other media. Why is artificial intelligence important? AI is important for its potential to change how we live, work, and play. It has been effectively used in business to automate tasks done by humans, including customer service work, lead generation, fraud detection, and quality control. In a number of areas, AI can perform tasks much better than humans, particularly when it comes to repetitive, detail-oriented tasks, such as analyzing large numbers of legal documents to ensure relevant fields are filled in properly. AI tools often complete jobs quickly and with relatively few errors. Because of the massive data sets it can process, AI can also give enterprises insights into their operations they might not have been aware of. The rapidly expanding population of generative AI tools will be important in fields ranging from education and marketing to product design. Here are top 5 free AI tools you can use in 2023. GFP-GAN Photo Restoration Tool. GFP-GAN, or Generative Facial Prior Generative Adversarial Network, is a free AI tool that helps to fix old photos instantly within seconds. It restores old and faded photos surprisingly in a realistic way in seconds. It was developed by Tencent researchers by taking the information from 2 AI models and merging them to fill in a photo's missing details. It replaces the missing details with the most realistic details in seconds. It creates a good balance between realness and fidelity. Notion.ai, Copywriting Tool. The Notion.ai is a copywriting tool to create high-quality, plagiarism-free content. It helps you assist in writing, brainstorming, editing, and summarizing the content. All you need to do is to tell the app what you want to write, such as a blog post, social media post, press release, or job description. It even helps you create poems and outlines for any subject or topic. Visily.ai, UI wireframing and prototyping tool. Visily is a powerful software that utilizes AI to help teams craft stunning app wireframes with ease. With its advanced AI capabilities and extensive UI library, Visily can seamlessly convert hand-drawn sketches or even existing app screenshots into sleek, editable wireframes in just moments. The result? Professional-grade designs without the hassle of manual creation. Why spend hours perfecting your wireframes when Visily can do it for you in mere minutes? Give Visily a try and unlock the potential of effortless design. Lumen 5, Video Creator. The Lumen 5 is a free online video-making platform that has various tools that allow you to make videos effortlessly. It has amazing templates and various formats to use for different social media platforms. The AI tool generates a whole video sequence by including the images using your imported transcript. Apart from it, the tool also offers an exclusive range of images and video clips to include in your final video. Copy.ai Copywriting Tool. The Copy.ai is also a free AI tool that helps your team with all kinds of copywriting needs, such as writing product descriptions, ad copies, email writing, blogs, video content, and website copies. This tool generates unique and easy-to-read content that engages your readers. Copy.ai is also ideal for writing social media captions, Facebook content, startup ideas, and many more. To use this free AI tool, sign up for an account, a try, describe any topic of your interest, and you are good to go with the content that the tool generates. Video Creator. That's all for today's video. The Lumen 5 is a free online video-making platform that has various tools and hit the bell allow you to make more amazing videos. It has amazing templates and various formats to use for different